Hey guys, John here again, and today we got the Panamera out. We're doing some more mods to it. Today I'm going to show you guys a really cool product that I found on eBay for your window pillars. These things they get pretty ugly pretty quick, so this is just something real cheap that you can do to make them look new again. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to flip this camera around real quick. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. This is going to be a quick and easy one. Alright guys, we've got the camera turned around here. We've got a couple little scuffs on here, but I'm going to clean this off and just show you. I've got some extra light here, and this is normally what happens on these side pillars. They get scuffy and nasty looking right there. And I've already replaced the driver's side. Alright guys, so here's what we got. We've got microfiber, got us some cleaner here, chemical guys. I use it for just about everything. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start off by cleaning this up. We're going to get all the oil and everything off of it. Here are the pillar pieces. When you first get them, don't freak out. You're going to be like, damn, these things aren't what I expected, but trust me, once you do this and get them on, this is going to look really nice. It's going to look way better. Alright. So we're just going to give it a spray there. I'm going to go get the tripod and set it up real quick for you guys so you can see what I'm doing. Again, we went ahead and sprayed this down, so we're just going to get everything nice and dry. Alright, so this is real quick and easy. As you guys can see, one of them are going to be just a little bit longer than the other one. And that's probably going to be the front one. Alright, so make sure you get the longer one and put it up here in the front. And what I'm going to show you here, guys, is the best way to get the best results. Cora, come! Come on! Come! Alright, so the best way to get the best results, you're going to want to start up here at the top and line the top up with your trim and get it right there on it. And then what you're going to do is just go ahead, pull you back about maybe 2 or 3 inches. Go ahead and just break it off. Leave the rest on. And then whenever you're setting it up, pull the back out towards you a little bit. Make sure you hold it in right about here. Make sure everything's aligned. And then just wheel it down until you get it on your trim. Let me just show you guys what I did here. Alright, so again, the trick is only pull a little bit of the tape off, get it lined up, and then just make sure that you have your top level with your trim. And always start from the top and set it in, and you'll get better results once you're done, even if there's a little bit of a gap on the bottom, which in this case there just isn't. But it would look a lot more professional just starting up here. And then what you're going to do now is go ahead and just fold it up, pull it back off just a little bit, and then go ahead and grab your tape off the bottom, pull it off, and let's finish the installation. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the back door. You're just going to go ahead and peel off a couple inches off the top. You'll use our fingernails to line up the bottom portion. And we're just going to slide it up until we hit the trim. Alright, got her tacked on there. We're going to pull the bottom up. And then remove the rest of the tape. Alright, once you've got them installed, just go ahead and take your rag here, just put a little bit of pressure on it, just make sure it's all adhered properly. Alright, let me show you guys what we've got here so far. Alright, so we've got both of them on here. Alright, so now it's time for the fun part. So now we're just going to get our fingernail in here and grab the front. And just pull it off. That too while I'm here. Alright. We're gonna do the same thing, just get your fingernail in there a little bit and just kind of scratch the top of it. Okay. That's it, guys. It's nice and shiny. Go ahead and snap a picture there. Nice and clear again. No more nasty look to it. It looks brand new. You couldn't ask for anything better. These things didn't cost very much. I got them on eBay. I'll try to find them, put a link in the description, but you can find them pretty easy if you just Google your Panamera and put in door pillar trim. You'll see these bad boys, and go ahead and get you a pair. This doesn't take very long, as you could see. It was quick and easy, and it really made a nice difference. I mean, it makes our car look new again, so that's what we're going for. Guys, if you liked my video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all the support, and I look forward to giving you guys some more videos in the future. See ya.